Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best rice cooking settings on your Xiaomi Smart Multifunctional Rice Cooker. So we need to open the Xiaomi Home app. Now we're going to choose the rice cooker, and here we choose the rice. So the best settings here are enabling auto keep warm so that it holds up its temperature. Now the keep warm duration, no longer than 12 hours. Remember that. I would recommend using 4 or 6. 4 is the default one and 6 is a bit higher. But after 12 hours, the taste might not be good and the smell might be horrendous to clean. That's why we want to make sure that we put it at 4 or 6 hours. And here we can select the rice types. So of course there are a lot of types. There's 12 together. And I choose Jasmine rice because this is the most popular rice all over the world. That's why we're going to click on it. And here we can select the taste. So we can select the soft, medium, hard, or custom. And it's totally up to us what we choose. If we choose, let's say, custom, we can choose the taste curve to be like this. Or soft and delicious, glutinous and delicious, and al dente. Now we can click on OK, and of course we got the timer. So for example, we want the food at 3:40 p.m. and it will start at 2:40 p.m. So that's basically how you guys can set up your rice. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.